crazy as I thought it would.
I know.
Look, Chevy. Look, the wind's blowing. He's like, I wish I was in there. Whoa. It's almost over there. Now it's like, whoa.